Okay, in this video, we are going to identify the vertex of a quadratic function given the quadratic function. And these are the two problems that we will determine the vertex for. Okay, before we solve these two problems, it's important to know the procedure. So the standard form of a quadratic equation is represented by y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And to get the x coordinate of a vertex, it's going to be this formula right here. So the formula is x is equal to minus b divided by 2a. This is where we get our b value. So the b value is next to the x, and the a value is next to the x squared. And once we figure out the x coordinate, all we have to do is plug it back into the original equation to get the y value. Okay, so this will be our first problem. So again, the formula is x is equal to minus b divided by 2a. And we know our b piece is this piece right here. So it's negative parentheses negative 4. Because this is negative 4, the b value is negative 4. And in our formula, it's minus b divided by 2a divided by the a value. So if there's no number in front of the x squared, we know the number in front is a 1. So we will have 2 parentheses 1. So we get negative 4 is positive 4 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the x coordinate of our vertex is 2. We don't know the y coordinate. And so to get the y coordinate, all we have to do is plug in 2 for x. So you can say y is equal to parentheses 2 close parentheses squared minus 4 parentheses 2 minus 12. And this is going to give us 2 squared is 2 times 2 is 4. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8 minus 12. And we know negative 8 minus 12 is negative 20. 4 minus 20 is going to give us negative 16. And so our vertex is going to be our x coordinate and our y coordinate. So 2 comma negative 16. And this right here is our final answer. Now this will be our second problem, and I recommend pausing the video and attempting this problem. So to get x, it's going to be minus b divided by 2a. So this is our b piece, so it's positive 4, so minus b, so minus 4 divided by 2 times a. The a value is in front of the x squared, which is 2. And what we get is negative 4 divided by 2 times 2 is 4. And negative 4 divided by 4 is negative 1. So the x value is negative 1 for our vertex. And to get the y coordinate, all you have to do is plug in negative 1 for x. So y is equal to 2 parentheses negative 1 close parentheses squared plus 4 parentheses negative 1 minus 6. And we know negative 1 squared is negative 1 times negative 1, so we get a positive 1. 2 times 1 would give us 2. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4, and then we have a negative 6. So negative 4 minus 6 is negative 10. Negative 10 plus 2 is going to give us negative 8. So this is our y coordinate. And so our final answer for our vertex, again, it's going to be the x and y coordinate, negative 1, comma, negative 8. And we can box in this answer. And that's all you need to do to identify the vertex of a quadratic function.